What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash and what is it. This is the beginner's guide to explain what is Bitcoin Cash, BCH, the digital currency for everyday use. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is a popular cryptocurrency that has emerged as a solution to some of the limitations faced by the original Bitcoin, BTC. Often described as Bitcoin's bigger brother, it aims to function as a fast, low-cost form of digital money. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by banks or governments, Bitcoin Cash operates on a decentralized blockchain network, allowing users to send and receive payments directly. This makes it appealing for people seeking financial freedom, especially in regions with unstable economies or high banking fees. The story of Bitcoin Cash begins with the original Bitcoin created in 2009 by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer electronic cash, but as its popularity grew, so did its problems. By 2017, Bitcoin's network was congested to a 1 megabyte limit on block sizes. The bundles of transactions processed every 10 minutes. This led to slow confirmation times and skyrocketing fees, sometimes exceeding $50 per transaction. Many in the community believe Bitcoin was straying from its roots as everyday money and becoming more like digital gold for store of value. This disagreement sparked a hard fork, where the blockchain split into two separate chains on August 1st, 2017. Bitcoin Cash was born. It wasn't created by a single person, but by a group of developers, miners, and enthusiasts who wanted to preserve Bitcoin's vision as usable cash. Key figures included Roger Ver, a prominent Bitcoin advocate, often called Bitcoin Jesus, for his early promotion of cryptocurrencies, and Jaihan Wu, co-founder of mining giant Bitmain. Developers like Amari Sechet played a crucial role in implementing the code changes. They increased the block size to 8 megabytes, later upgraded to 32 megabytes, enabling more transactions per block, up to thousands compared to Bitcoin's hundreds. The primary utility of Bitcoin Cash lies in its role as a payment system. It's designed for quick, cheap transfers with fees often under a penny and confirmations in seconds. This makes it ideal for everyday uses like buying coffee, online shopping, or sending money to family abroad. Merchants appreciate it because it avoids the high cost of credit card processors. For example, platforms like BitPay allow businesses to accept BCH payments seamlessly. In developing countries, it's used for remittances, where traditional services charge hefty fees beyond payments. BCH supports smart contracts and decentralized apps through its ecosystem. Though it's not as advanced as platforms like Ethereum, its focus remains on being sound money that's accessible to everyone, emphasizing privacy and censorship resistance. Since its launch, Bitcoin Cash's price has been a roller coaster, reflecting the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies. It started around $300 August 2017 amid the crypto boom that year. It surged to an all-time high of about $4,355 in December. The excitement was short-lived. The 2018 market crash dropped BCH as low as $75 by year's end. Oh my gosh. Got hammered, huh? Yeah, I never even knew it was even a high of a price. It was $4,355. That's crazy. Recovery came in 2019 and 2021, or between 2019 and 2021, with another peak around $1,600 during the bull run fueled by financial interest and the COVID-19 stimulus. However, 2022 bear market, triggered by events like FTX collapse, saw it dip below $100 again. My God. In recent years, BCH has shown resilience. It climbed to over $700 in early 2024 amid renewed crypto hype. But volatility persisted. As of late August 2025, Bitcoin Cash trades around $550 to $560, down from its 2021 highs, but up from its 2022 lows. Factors influencing the price include Bitcoin's performance as BCH often follows BTC trends, adoption rates, regulatory news, and network upgrades like the 2023 cash tokens for better tokenization. Looking ahead, price predictions for Bitcoin Cash vary widely depending on market analysis and economic conditions. For the rest of the 2025, forecasts range from conservative lows of $300 to optimistic highs of $800, with many experts predicting an average of around $600 by year's end. This could be driven by potential bull markets if Bitcoin ETFs expand or global adoption grows. In 2026, predictions suggest $500 to $1,000, assuming continued development and crypto recovery. Longer-term outlooks are more speculative. By 2030, analysts see Bitcoin Cash reaching $700 to $2,000 if it gains mainstream payment adoption and blockchain tech advances. Bullish scenarios tie it to Bitcoin's halving cycles and global economic shifts, like inflation hedging. However, risks include competition from faster networks like Solana, regulatory crackdowns, or internal community splits. BCH itself forked again in 2018 into BCH and Bitcoin SV. Pessimistic views warn of stagnation below $400 if adoption stalls. Remember, these are educated guesses. Crypto prices are unpredictable and influenced by factors like halvings. Next for BCH is in 2028 and macroeconomic trends. In summary, Bitcoin Cash was created to revive the dream of digital cash that's fast and affordable, splitting from Bitcoin in 2017 amid scalability debates. Its utility shines in payments, but its price has swung wildly from thousands to hundreds, while predictions point to moderate growth. BCH's future depends on real-world use and market sentiment. For investors, it's a reminder that crypto is as much about innovation as speculation. Always do your own research and invest wisely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Bitcoin Cash BCH video. Hopefully you understand more about what it is. And let me know down in the comments section if you're interested in investing in BCH. Do you have BCH? If so, let me know why. Let me know down there in the comments. And also, guys, if you guys want to check out my sponsors and get free cryptocurrency on a deposit, just simply sign up to the exchanges and deposit a little bit of money and get a bunch of free money. It's pretty simple, pretty amazing to get free cash. So just click the link down in the description, my simple.bio link. I believe Coinbase, if you deposit like $20, you get like $30, I believe, for free, which that's a real good deal. And then Uphold, I think if you deposit $100, you can get 20 for free. And then the similar deals at BTCC and BitTrue, and you can also do leverage trading there if you guys are interested in leverage trading. You can amplify your gains by quite a bit, or you can also lose a lot too, so invest wisely. But the leverage trading platforms are BitTrue and BTCC, also in the link. So yeah, just simply click the simple.bio link and you'll see all the links. I appreciate y'all very much. I hope you have a good day, and smash up the like, share out with your friends. And also, if you want to participate in the $100 weekly giveaway, just go to santaall.net. You can see it right above me there. Go to that web address, and there will be further instructions on how to basically support my videos and earn entries, and possibly win a big chunk of that $100 giveaway every week, every Friday. Smash the like, subscribe, and peace out. Till next time.